Hi class, are you ready to learn? Let's start! Hi class, are you ready to learn? Let's start! Hello, good day! For this video, I am going to have a short tutorial on how to create your own pabalat. Pabalat is a form of paper cutting that originates from Bulacan. It is also used as pastillas wrapper and is made of papel de Japon or Japanese paper. Aside from that, paper cutting is also used not just in pastillas wrapper but also in invitation. So come on, watch this video and learn and create your own pabalat. Para sa art activity na to, you will be needing colored paper, or much better if you have Japanese paper or what we call papel de Japon. You may also have set of scissors, or depending on what scissors you feel comfortable doing an art activity. Of course, you need to have pencil and a pattern. Maaari kayo mag-drawing ng sarili ninyong pattern, or if you have printers or may malapit na computer shop where you can have where you can print your own design, so pwede rin kayong magpa-print. So come on, let's have our art activity, pabalat. Once again, pabalat is an art activity that is used for pastillas wrapper that originates from Bulacan. So let's go and let's start learning. Okay, so una muna, syempre, kung ano yung napili mo na design, you cut it out, and then after that, i-stapler it sa colored paper. If you have Japanese paper, much better. But if it is not available, you may use colorful magazines or colored paper. So now, we are cutting the design of pabalat. Remember, paper cutting is not just used for pastillas wrapper. You may use this for invitations and for decorative purposes. Ayan. So, make sure that all the dark spots in our pattern will be cut off para makuha natin yung design na dinidesire natin. By the way, let me just clarify that if, say for example, you do not have printer or you are really talented in drawing, you may decide to draw your own pattern and cut it out. That is much better. So right now, as what you can see, we are almost done with the edges. So we need to cut even yung mga nasa gitna na dark spot or dark spots. Okay? So yan, tulad niyan, kailangan pati yung loob. So be careful, kasi kapag nagkamali ka, there's a tendency na masira or maputol yung paper cutting design mo. That is why it is very important to use scissors that you are comfortable in using, so that talagang when you do this art activity, maging maayos. As much as possible also, avoid using ng malalaki na scissors kasi it would be very difficult for you to do this art activity successfully. In case of colored paper, you have an option on whatever color you want to use. Ayan, right now, if you can see, almost done na tayo with all the parts of our pabalat. So, before in Bulacan, they are not just using a simple wrapper, but they are actually using this type of paper cutting design. By the way, if you are learning, please don't forget to click subscribe. Of course, like this video and share to others so that they may also learn how to do this art activity. Okay, so always remember, be careful. So I think you are now, you can now see the finished product of our art activity. So make sure na naka-stapler para maganda yung kalalabasan. So there, very easy and very simple. Thank you and God bless!